In today's video, I will teach you how to generate landscape photography using AI. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Photo Room. On the left sidebar of the homepage, locate and click AI Tools. And this section includes a variety of AI-powered generators for different types of images. Now scroll down to the Create Images with AI section and click See All to view the full list of available tools. Then scroll through the options and select Landscape Photography. This tool is designed to produce stunning scenic views in a photography style perfect for wallpapers, posters, or digital backgrounds. Now use the text input box to write a specific and vivid description of the landscape that you want to generate. Now think about location, weather, lighting, time of day, and mood. And if you're not sure what to write, you can explore inspiration prompt shown on the page. Now we're going to choose the image size. To do this, click on Size Settings to select your preferred image aspect ratio, then choose from the following presets depending on your intended use. Now we're going to choose a style for the photo. To do this, click on the Style settings to browse and choose from a range of photography styles. After entering your description, choosing a size, and selecting a style, click the Generate button, and the AI will process your request and display 4 unique landscape photos based on your inputs. Now click on each image to view it in full resolution, and zoom in to check details, lighting, and overall composition. If none of them are quite right, you can click Generate 4 more to see new variations, or use the Change Something button to tweak your image with a follow-up prompt. And from the preview screen, you can also remove background, which is useful if you want to create a composite image, retouch or enhance visual elements, resize to fit specific dimensions, or change something with a prompt. And make sure to be specific or use visual adjectives when describing your edits. And once you're happy with an image, click Use this image, and this opens the Photo Room editor. And here, you can add overlays, text or filters, insert branding or watermarks, or make lighting and composition tweaks. And when you're done, click Download to save your image to your device. And you can also use the 7-day free trial of Photo Room Pro for unlimited high-resolution generations and advanced editing tools. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.